My name is Ojo Samuel Ruona. My stage name is Ruona. I'm an Afrobeat artist from Delta State, Nigeria, precisely Ogoni. My inspiration into music is that when I was growing up, I find myself loving music. In fact, doing music was just everything about me. In fact, when I was in secondary school, they have to give me the social prefect because they notice that I always sing, I always dance, just want to like have the vibe and cruise. Well, to me, my brand of music is Afrobeat actually, but I can also do Afro pop, Afro future. Then the reason why my style, my brand is different from other places is that I can adapt to any kind of song. Like I can rap, I can solo, then I can just so on and so forth. As far as music is concerned, I can do any of that. Alright, I will first of all say Obiu Davido is my number one role model because the passion and the hard work he dedicates towards music is a whole lot to me. Give me the energy to push, to fight. Then talking about sound, flow, talent, yeah, I think I love Star but big wiz. Yeah. Well, my song is all about the street because I literally grew up on the street. I've been hustling from my child, so street, the ghetto, the first part of the ghetto. There things you see, struggling, people fighting, survival of the fittest, a lot of talent, but no helpers for them. People that have great talent, beautiful talent, in all diversification, but there is nobody to see the truth. So I just it. All right. By the special grace of God, this month I will be coming up with 2 tracks this month, and I think it's going to be nice, going to be wonderful, going to be great. My biggest challenge is okay. Let me reflect back to the society, the streets, the ghetto. You know, when you grow up from the ghetto, you don't have people that normally say to back you up, to back your dreams. So it's a big challenge. Instead, they will try to kill you, kill your dreams, kill everything about you. So coming up from the ghetto with such kind of talent is really difficult. So that is what I found difficult in challenge. One of the challenges I have in my music. On Instagram, you can have me Ruona. Yes, Ruona on Instagram. Then while on TikTok, you can have me Ruona, Ruona, Ruona. Yeah, on TikTok. While on Facebook, you can have me Ruona Sam Ruona on Facebook. I would just say, don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up. Keep on pushing. We all should have hope because lately I realized that hope is the only difference between the dead and the living. Stay blessed. Stay away from trouble and be focused.
Thank you very much,
Yeah.
Mr. Ruona, for coming around. We sincerely appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you very much.